Hello and welcome to my Forex DNA's currency trading video. This is my third video for today and probably my last video for today. These videos that I've created today are going to be the basis of our trading in the upcoming weeks, so to speak, and that's why I'm taking the time to do them by each currency pair, and we will see how our trades progress from there. Also, I will create the rest of the videos for the other currency pairs later during the week, but wanted to touch upon the USD Swiss franc pair. It has been going on an uptrend for a while, and there has been a retracement in the price patterns recently as far as the Swiss franc is concerned. There was a significant down movement, a down candle. There was a indecisive hammer type of candle, and then a significant up candle followed today, Sunday evening, with a down candle as it is starting. However, everything is occurring at or around support. The 200-day moving average is acting as support, and then prices have shown resistance. The 21-day and the 50-day moving averages have acted as resistance for the prices. So given that, let us see what the charts are really telling us. I do know that there is a kicker formation here occurring. There is a doji type of candle. There is a large bullish harami type of candle. Currently, even though the Swiss franc is showing a downward movement, let's see what the stochastics are telling us. When I take a look at the divergences, there are two things that occur. This being currently a bullish trend, there is nothing in there showing me that there is a reversal. So what is a bullish continuation pattern? The bullish continuation pattern really should show me a higher low on the price pattern, on the prices, and a lower low on the stochastics. So if I were to go, so I'm looking for a higher low followed by a lower low. So based on the price points here, this was your low, and come between this low and this low here, this is a higher low on the price chart over here, followed by a lower low on the stochastics over here. This tells me, by a lower low on the stochastics, a higher low on the price followed by a lower low on the stochastics, tells me that there is a continuation pattern in play. So if at all I were to place a trade, I would place an up trade based on the price candle over here. So the high of Friday's candle was 1.0642. I would probably place a buy trade, a buy entry trade at 1.0650. And let me explain by going to the hourly and the 2-hour charts. On the hourly charts, even though you can see that there appears to be a downward trend in play, what's really happening is that the prices have reached this resistance point and have retraced back. However, there is no indication for me to conclude that the prices may not reverse and go in the upward direction. So if I were to place a trade on the buy side, I'd probably place a trade at the top of this candles here. This was Friday's closing, or Friday's high point, which is 1.0642. So I would place a trade at 1.0650, somewhere in this range. And if the price goes above this point here and reaches here, that is telling me that the markets have reversed, because this was the previous high. It would now create a new high, indicating that there is a price reversal. Of course, it could be a false spike and I may get spiked out of the market. That's very likely, but I have to take that chance. So this is the entry point for the Swiss franc trade. You can see that on the 2-hour chart as well, that this is around the price where I would, in this price point is where I would place the trade. I will put the trade on the website so you'll be able to follow it. And right now, even though the market has taken a downturn, I am anticipating that it might go back up. If it doesn't, then our trade will not execute and we will not have lost anything. And so accordingly, by tomorrow morning 10 a.m. if the trades haven't executed, go ahead and cancel the trade, and that way you would not have lost anything. So our trade currently is in the plus. As you can see, we were somewhere in this range. This was today's candle. It has significantly we were significantly in the negative for a while there, and then we have gone up. This is today's blue candle, yesterday's blue candle, and this is again today's candle going up. So you can see that the candle is going up. We still have room. I believe that we will end up closing this trade on a profit. Of course, there's no prediction, but you never know. Well, I do feel there's nothing in the market telling me that we will not, that the markets are reversing on us. Our limit is here. It did cross. So this is what happened. We crossed this upper resistance first. That's how our buy got executed. It crossed this upper resistance, so we have been continuing to be in our favor, and this is the next upper resistance that we need to cross through to hit our limit over here. Now, as you are progressing, and if you are in front of the computer watching the trades occur and watching the charts, you don't necessarily have to wait for your entire limit. If you are not comfortable, if you want to capture your pips and close the trade out, feel free to do so. Especially there might be some price hesitation at this particular price point. If I were to venture, this is approximately 107.50. It's a round number. There could be price hesitation. And then again, of course, over here is, all these round numbers are the ones where you want to be careful. But I have a strong feeling that we'll reach our limit. So that's it for the day. Good luck with your trading. There's no other trades at the moment. I will still have to analyze and create the videos for the other currency pairs. I shall do so during the week as I find time. But good luck trading and see you soon. Thank you.